Hi guys and welcome to today's YouTube video. In today's video we will obviously be discussing this massive Bitcoin dump that we have been seeing the past couple of days and obviously especially yesterday. I am absolutely loving this dump, as you all know if you have been watching either my YouTube videos, either have been following me on Twitter or in my Discord or in my free Telegram group. You know that I have been telling you guys a trillion times that this dump to new lows was coming. And yes, yesterday we did break through this previous low over here, which is beautiful, of course. I've also been telling you guys that this area over here would be the top of this bear market rally. As we can see, we reached the top to the dollar accuracy almost. Right over here, you can see the scenario played out. But over here, on the 2nd of November, which is a week ago, I already told you that we were going to see exactly this scenario. So this was the scenario that I told you about a week ago. And look at it, how it played out. And we even continued to dump after this post. Also over here on my Twitter, you can see, let's see, where is it? Over here, that I was telling you guys that there was a potential PO3 power of 3 in play that I have also been telling you guys about in Monday's YouTube video and also in last week's videos. Okay, so also this potential PO3 played out beautifully and we dumped towards new lows. Okay, so I'm not here obviously to show you guys how right I was, but I'm going to show you guys how easy it is predict these kind of movement. Okay, so over here we detected the key area of resistance for Bitcoin, which was this massive area over here. What is important, guys, is to know that we are in a bear market, and as long as you are in a bear market, every uptrend is a chance to look for massive short position. So first I predicted the bounce over here and we rode it all the way towards the top. But even more important is to detect the areas of resistance where you want to look for massive short position. Okay, why? Because this over here, this is the end of a bear market. This is a move of approximately 45% without any correction. This over here is not the end of a bear market. This is a bear market rally. You can see a slow grind up. So what they say, stairs up, elevator down. Okay, so this is a slow grind up of about 18% and everybody's getting extremely euphoric. That's not a bull market. That's not the end of a bear market. This over here is a bull market rally. This over here is once again looking at a 60% increase without any correction. Not a slow grind up, no, a fucking massive move towards the upside without any correction. This is a bull market correction instead of a bear market correction. As you can see, slow grind up, massive move up. Okay, so stairs down, elevator up, the other way around. But this once again, just like this slow grind up, is actually showing us a beautiful bear market rally in which the only thing you have to do is look for the right area to short, in which we found the perfect area to short, fortunately for us. Okay, so I was also 100% in USDT waiting for my spot buys, and right now I am very slowly DCAing into Bitcoin, into Ethereum, and into some altcoins. I will tell you some of my favorite altcoins, which are BNB, Atom, ADA, XRP, and I'm probably forgetting some, but these are some of my favorite altcoins. Obviously, we all know what happened with FTX and Binance, the beef going on, in which Binance was once again showing that they are the king of the jungle. So that is why I'm actually loving BNB to slowly start DCAing into that coin right now. Okay, stay away from Solana. If you do invest a little bit in Solana, just use very small amounts. Okay. Having said that, what is the next scenario for Bitcoin? In my opinion, we still have to go much lower. Why? Because altcoins are holding pretty well. Most of the altcoins have not been making new lows compared to Bitcoin, which is important because we want altcoins to bleed as hard as they possibly can, because that will shake out the most amount of people and it will hurt the most amount of retail traders that are holding altcoin. So what you want to do is you want to look for potential short positions, in which we can take a look at some Fibonacci retracements from that swing high to swing low, and from this swing high to this swing low. Also, what I want to do is I want to take a look at potential volume areas of resistance from the current range. Okay, so we take the volume area and we can see that over here we have a massive volume area of resistance, the value area low on top of the point of control, on top of this volume node over here. So massive volume area of resistance, which is our area of interest for potential brand new short positions on Bitcoin. We also have a volume node over here and a volume node over here. So we have some areas of interest, and right now we can start looking for some short position. So what we can see if we go on the 1 hourly time frame is that we have this 0.5 Fibonacci level in confluence with this golden pocket. Super interesting area for potential short entry. The second area for potential short entry would be this golden pocket over here. Why? Because it is in nice confluence with this consolidation area, which was happening before this move towards the downside, before the fake towards the upside, before we went down again. Okay, so that is definitely a nice area of resistance as well. What you could be looking at is a potential another swing short position, in which we're looking to enter somewhere over here with your invalidation probably above this high over here. Everybody is putting their stop losses above this high, which can get taken out. Then this higher next, which is why we are looking for this high for a stop loss potentially. Okay, still it depends on what Bitcoin is doing. Also keep in mind that we have the midterm elections today and we have the CPI data release tomorrow. Two huge events. My personal opinion, I made massive amounts of money yesterday. Right now I am sitting as much as I can on my hands, only taking a few small positions in which I risk only a little bit of the profits that I made yesterday. Sometimes it is better to let the dust settle than to be in a position, okay? Also, when your hands are itching like crazy to get into a position, try to get those emotions under control. Only look for extremely good positions, and if you don't find those, then don't take them. It's as simple as that, okay? My targets for Bitcoin, if it continues lower, which it should, unless some big fundamental event today or tomorrow causes a massive pump. My next targets for Bitcoin are 16.1k, 16.2 I would say, and 14.5. Two massive areas where I will take massive profits and will be buying a lot of investment positions on Bitcoin and also on altcoins, okay? Yes, we can still go to the 11 to 9k area, which is also still possible, but my first targets are 16 and 14.5k for Bitcoin. Okay, guys. For Ethereum, we can see massive dump over here. Okay. Also, Ethereum has not even been breaking through this low, let alone this low it created in June, which means we know that Ethereum is the most important indicator for altcoins, and this is indicating to us that altcoins have to bleed so much more. So be careful looking for longs for altcoins. If you want to look for buy or long positions on altcoins, at least start looking for those long and buy positions much and much lower from their current price. Because in my opinion, altcoins and Ethereum have to bleed much more than they currently have. Okay. Ethereum, by the way, front run our area of resistance, which was around this price over here. It front run it a little bit. It was around $1,700. But we still didn't long it here, of course. So for Ethereum, my targets are over here. This will be a massive area of support, around $1,135 towards $1,000. Though there is a good possibility that we take out this low over here, this low over here, and maybe even this low over here. Yes, I do believe there is a decent possibility for Ethereum to go below $1,000 again, this bear market. Okay, definitely keep that in mind. But if it does, it will be a massive opportunity to buy into long-term positions, guys. I'm trying to explain to you that this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity that is occurring right now. Try to earn some money with leverage trading, with shorting this market, which you already should have done, of course. If you don't, work as hard as you can with your regular job, with your, just with your side hustles. Make as much money as you can, because if you get the chance to buy Ethereum below $1,000, if you get the chance to buy Bitcoin at $14,000, I am very sure, and remember, this is obviously no financial advice, but this is my opinion. I am pretty sure that at one point Bitcoin will at least reach $100,000 and Ethereum will at least reach $10,000. If you know that, that is almost a 10x from the current price. So start DCAing slowly into those positions, and the lower they go, the more you buy. Patience is key right here. Don't FOMO into any positions. In the meantime, try to look for some short positions, some swing short positions, if we get a relief bounce towards the upside. Shorting over here, Bitcoin and Ethereum, in my opinion, is not worth it. If we get a small relief bounce towards the upside, in my opinion, it is definitely once again worth to shorten. Okay, guys? So keep that in mind. If you have any questions, if you're stressing about anything right now, just make sure to follow me on Twitter, send me a DM there, join our open Discord, send me a DM there. You can ask all the questions you want, also in the comments down below. All the links to all of my socials are in the description. I'm always here to help you guys. If you have any questions, just make sure to ask them every single time, and I will be there to help you guys. Thank you for watching. Please smash up the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you guys on Friday's video. Bye bye.